Forward Bloc and the INA. The All India Forward Bloc was a left-wing nationalist political party in India. It was led by Subhash Chandra Bose. It emerged as a faction within the Indian National Congress. This was due to his differences with Mahatma Gandhi and the Congress Working Committee. The main objective of the Forward Bloc was liberation of India. This was to be achieved with the support of workers, peasants, youths, and other organizations. A second objective was to acquire support from outside the country to fight Britain. The main ideas of the Forward Bloc were to reorganize agriculture and industry, to abolish the zamindari system, to introduce new monetary and credit system. The INA or Indian National Army was an armed force that was started by some Indian collaborators in Imperial Japan. This was in 1942. The INA was formed under its first commander Rash Bihari Bose. After an initial setback, it was revived by Subhash Chandra Bose in 1943, when he became the commander of the INA. The motto of the INA was unity, faith, and sacrifice. The objectives of the INA were to organize an armed revolution, and to fight the British Army of Occupation with modern arms. To organize a provisional government of Free India, in order to mobilize all forces effectively. A total mobilization of India's manpower and money for a total war. Subhash Chandra Bose played a pivotal role in India's freedom movement. He formed the INA. He set up Provisional Government for Free India in Singapore in 1943. He declared war on Great Britain and US. He acquired Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which were handed over by Japanese. He gave the battle cry of Dilli Chalo and Jai Hind. With this, we conclude the topic on the Forward Bloc and INA.